Hi, welcome for tuning into fabricmouse.tv. I'm Stuart. I'm the owner at Fabric Mouse. I'm just wanting to put this video out there. I've been thinking about it from a while, for the last 3 months, and I think it's a video worth sharing. One of the main questions I'm getting asked a lot is, but that's made in China. In a negative way. Now, 14 years ago, I visited China for the first time and saw some factories, and wholeheartedly what I saw confirmed every stereotype I had about that made in China mentality. And not just that, the place itself, the streets were dirty, the factories were primitive, workforce was unskilled, undereducated, lacking in tools and safety, and just general cleanliness. It was a place I never imagined I would be returning to do business. But here's the thing, that China no longer exists. Today, China is a global leader in innovation, quality, precision. Your iPhones, Apple make everything in China now. They can't make it in the USA to the same standards. They use Chinese manufacturing to get that precision. On my recent trip, December 24, I saw a country that is light years ahead of the West. Infrastructure, technology, the way they're using technology, the way everyday life is integrated in technology, and the way the systems work, it was mind-blowing. Just little things like using a sat-nav tells you exactly how long you're going to be at a red light for, because the red lights are integrated. The whole system is integrated with your phones, your payment systems, everything. It just works together in a way that we are so far behind. It is quite scary. I sat in self-driving car that had built-in karaoke machine where the driver could sing karaoke while the car drove itself down a motorway. Bullet trains that connected cities in minutes. I went from Hong Kong to mainland China where I needed to be in 14 minutes. China is redefining what's possible, and at the heart of this transformation is BAi Embroidery, who I went to see about the multi-needle embroidery machines.
我来唱，你先停。他那个那个。
BAi Embroidery's factory is a far cry from the primitive facilities I saw 14 years ago. They're meticulously spotless, employ automation, they're powered by cutting-edge technology, the staff are educated, they know every intricate detail about the machines they're making. Every machine is built with German continental belts and German Berco belts. They use all Japanese bearings, in-house developed parts, tools, gears, to the point where they've even developed with continental belts with certain shaped ridges that go with their own gears to keep the noise of the machines down. These are machines that are on the cutting edge of technology, and yes, they're made in China, but the precision is phenomenal. What was really impressive is when you go into the IT side, and you see them developing their circuit boards, their interface systems and their user interfaces for the machines, the app side of things where you can transfer files to your machines directly from the interface and the technology that's coming into that with the installed software. The fact that they make the circuit boards and interfaces for most of the other brands of machines in the background it was quite eye-opening. So my view on BAi Embroidery is it isn't just manufacturing, it isn't just assembling, it's precision engineering, and it's on a scale that rivals the best people in the world.
This is the Japanese bundle.
Yeah.
And you can check this one. This is by our product.
Usually for another company, they don't use this kind of quality. Never. Because too expensive.
This is also the too expensive. Just this whole.
Yeah. So that's milled in a single.
Yes. And also have
We are separate for the high voltage, AC voltage, and DC voltage.
All right. Okay. Yeah.
All separate.
Yeah.
and two power.
One for lighting,
This for
one for power.
yeah.
for
This one is
supply.
only for the light. Don't affect the computer.
Right. Okay.
This is the motor.
While at the factory, I was also lucky to see the new Poolin brand of single needle domestic machines. These are historically white label machines where they, in the background, have made machines for many other manufacturers. Most of your name brand
The UI design is very friendly.
bringing their own brand with their own interface system that they're using on the BAi
And this
machines.
is the normal model for
A
all
trimmed down
factory.
version
China
onto the
factory.
Poolin machines using
Maybe
the
you-
same
maybe you-
embroidery file formats and the same
This is
software.
also the
So
normal model for
ideally, you could start a business with a single needle machine
Yes.
much cheaper, and you'd have all the right file formats and everything when you do want to move up to an industrial machine. So here's the truth, made in China. It's no longer about cutting corners and chasing the lowest priced product. It's very much about pushing the boundaries and delivering exceptional value. BAi Embroidery is proof of that. As the UK distributor, I'm proud to bring these incredible machines to our market and challenge the outdated perceptions of Chinese manufacturing. The future of embroidery is here, and it's made in China. Are you ready to join the revolution with me? Visit baiuk.com or fabricmouse.co.uk to learn more and discover how BAi can transform your business. Let's disrupt this industry together.